Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Roadway to Heaven. Today I'm going to be showing off the set design that I've been working on and all of the improvements to the map. There's been some slight tweaking to the map just to give it a little bit more of a fluid feel. And everything actually has support pillars now. Unfortunately, with the way the game's actual creation kit works, I was not able to put the pillars actually being attached to the track in most of the places just because the elevation varies so frequently and the pillars themselves do not actually go up to the right spots. However, it does look really well once I end up getting down to the lower side of the track and you get to see it. And I also did add this giant platform here that just to give reference to the, well, I guess you get to see it a little bit better there. Gives a good reference to why this path on the top side is actually able to be suspended so high up in the air. Because it appears as though it's on a platform that is attached to the stadium itself. I replaced the jumps right here just because it felt a little bit clunky and I didn't enjoy that. So I just ended up taking it out. I might end up putting something in there to slow down the player. However, for now it feels really well. And for future maps I will probably be using more dirt just because that drifting mechanic is actually really entertaining. Over here you see a smaller platform that I ended up putting in, and kind of gives that suspended bridge look. The map itself hasn't been changed very much, however, with all of the new additions, with the set design, it actually does have a much more vibrant feel. I tried to place in the walls, pillars, and also even the decorative pieces to try to push players towards the desired actual areas, and at the same time just give the players something to look at while they're traveling at the speed of sound around this track. Unfortunately, the bottom side of the platform itself does look very barren, and I also cannot place some of the decorative pieces on the top side, so it probably will remain barren looking. But if I can somehow manage it, I would like to add something up to the top of it. Maybe I'll paint some of the platforms just to break up the monotony of the white. Maybe give it a checkered flag look. Then while I'm in the polishing stage, I will be adding in an intro scene, hopefully some custom music. As much as I enjoy the interesting music that plays on the track already, it would be much nicer to have something a little bit more me, something that fits the track as well. That is the track at the moment. Really quickly, once I end up finishing this roundabout, I'm going to show some of the portions of the set design which don't really get seen when you're just racing around the track, but parts that I'm going to end up trying to flesh out just a little bit more. replacing the quad jump with just a standard double jump actually gives it a much more simple feeling, which is always fun. Because before, I was having too many instances where it didn't matter what I would do, I would just constantly mess up right there. And that's never a good feeling. Once I get the chance, I'm going to end up getting up onto that platform so that I can show off what it looks like. I also did add in... Ooh, it didn't save. I did have two statues right here, which I will need to place next week. But they were to draw the player's attention towards the center and force them to have to see this turn up here. So unfortunately, those will have to be replaced. However, noticing it now is better than not noticing it at all. Here you can see the pillars. They are actually all over the track. Yes, they do not quite reach up to the top. However, they do give it a very good feeling from when a player just looks at it from a distance. And over on the far side here, you can see how I ended up actually attaching it. It's not fully attached, but because it's so far away, it still has that impression, which is all you really need in the end. And over here is the hidden pathway. Nothing really has changed with it, however, now there is a bridge leading over the top of it, so that gives a player, as they fall, a little bit of an extra feeling of like that they might end up actually landing, even though they can't. Thank you all for your time. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day, and Jer Bear out.